think one is funny.
Loud, not annoying.
Okay. This is a hard one. Can you do it? She's the monkey from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Get out of my bed.
You can't talk.
That happened once. I invited Morgan into my cave and she was sleeping next to me. And she was like, I was like, listen how loud the music is in here. And then she just stops and looks at me. She's like, is this a moment? I was like, get the fuck out of my bed, Morgan.
Her graces. Okay, I'm not. This is a prop. I promise. I won't smoke any. In fact, give me a cigarette.
You know, actually, the cigarette, I took a cigarette for a prop. And I took it. Sorry, Grace.
Yeah, I smoked it with you, remember?
All right, ready?
Oh,
And action. These doors don't make noise.
This is truly this. Last door. Yeah, come in. Oh, boy. Wait, is this an actual person? Cat, okay.
Fictional character.
Come to the party. Here. Oh. I don't really know what you're doing. Who comes to a cocktail party? What the fuck are you doing with your hand? You wanna go ahead and just pee in my bar, apparently. Okay. Yeah, honestly, are you a dog? Are you fucking... You're getting really good with the prank, Amanda. Are you a monkey from the Wizard of Oz?
Close.
From the Planet of the Apes?
they could talk.
What?
Kind of as a...
Did you see my cigarette box off? I don't know what she is.
She's a monkey.
Well,
But from what is you gotta figure out.
a thief, apparently. Yep, think about it. From a barrel of monkeys? What is this? Maybe this one? Alright, here we go. Ah! Pirates of the Caribbean?
There you go. You don't even want